Thousands of Fauci's emails released under Freedom of Information Act showed that the officials were concerned about previous U.S. involvement with the Wuhan lab, as well as allegations of a possible lab leak. On February 1, 2020, Fauci sent an email to his deputy director at the NIAID that reads, "It is essential that we speak this AM," Fauci wrote, while asking the deputy director to read an 2015 article that detailed the gain-of-function research and funding by the National Institutes of Health, NIH. "You will have tasks today that must be done," he added. Following the officials' conversations, public discussion of a potential lab leak was actively suppressed by social media platforms, health officials, and the World Health Organization, WHO. For instance, the online news site ZeroHedge was banned from Twitter one day after appearing in the email thread on February 2, 2020. "If Tedros and Bernhard do prevaricate, I would appreciate a call with you later tonight or tomorrow to think how we might take forward," the emails reads, with reference to an article by ZeroHedge on a possibility of a lab leak. Coincidentally or not, on the same day ZeroHedge was banned, WHO Director Tedros issued a report which included a call to combat the spread of rumors and misinformation.
Fourth, combat the spread of rumors and misinformation. To that end, we have worked with Google to make sure people searching for information about coronavirus see WHO information at the top of their search results. Social media platforms, including Twitter, Facebook, Tencent, and TikTok, have also taken steps to limit the spread of misinformation.
The resistance against a Wuhan lab probe did not seem to stop at social media and news outlets. Former Secretary of State Mike Pompeo confirmed to the Epoch Times on June 3 that his efforts to get to the bottom of how the CCP virus spread from China to the United States met with sustained opposition within the U.S. government. "I was fighting very hard inside the State Department and even more broadly," he said. A former senior State Department official, who has direct knowledge of these matters, told the Epoch Times that Pompeo made clear to everybody involved in the State Department's investigation of the source of the virus that they were to pursue facts wherever they led. Pompeo said, "Screw them and tell them the Secretary of State said do it," the source recalled when Pompeo was told of internal opposition to the effort to investigate the virus origin. After the release of Fauci's emails, former President Trump also issued a statement that reads, "There are a lot of questions that must be answered by Dr. Fauci," Trump said. What did Dr. Fauci know about gain-of-function research, and when did he know it? Trump added. In response to the emails released, Fauci said,
"The only trouble is they are really ripe to be taken out of context, where someone can snip out a sentence in an email without showing the other emails and say, based on an email from Dr. Fauci, he said such and such, where you don't really have the full context."
Meanwhile, President Biden said he remains supportive of Dr. Fauci.
Mr. President, you felt confident in Dr. Fauci?
Yes, I'm very confident, Dr. Fauci.